You have a lot of positive attributes that make you stand out. Responsibility, compassion, reliability, and empathy are all qualities you possess. It is time to give yourself the tools necessary to succeed in a career that can provide fulfillment as well as a chance to make a real difference in people's lives. Thanks to our partnership with the Academy of Allied Health's Careers, this CMA program will unlock the potential to empower others to live better and healthier. This program offers a comprehensive curriculum covering everything from medical terminology to administrative skills. All this in the setting of a Christian environment. You will have the opportunity to become a certified medical assistant, opening doors to a vast amount of career possibilities. But it's not just about skills. It's about making a difference in patients' lives. Join us in the journey to become a clinical medical assistant and become part of something bigger in the center of God's heart. Visit our website, www.healthevangelism.com, or call 706-419-0030 to enroll today.